Seems like she'll be busy.
I'd be honored.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Citizens, may I present the newest member of the Crystal Empire?
She's beautiful. Oh, it's just so moving.
Best crystalline ever! For a pony who isn't great at magic, you did pretty well.
Indeed. I'm glad to see you found a way to share your unique gift, Sunburst. You may be more of a wizard than you think.